نحن اليوم في 29 من كانون الأول 2021 في مدينة ميريلاند، منطقة واشنطن. قد أتينا في هذه السيارة الحقلية التابعة لمختبر بحوث النحل في تابع لوزارة الزراعة في هذه المدينة، وهو من المختبرات المتقدمة. وهذه وحدات توليد الطاقة الكهربائية للأجهزة التي تستخدم هنا. وسنلتقي بالباحث الدكتور المسؤول عن قسم في هذا المختبر، محمد البواقي. تفضل. In English.
In English, okay. So, thank you for filming our apiary. It's nice to have you guys. So here basically we are studying many aspects of the honeybee. One of them is the honeybee diversity adaptation as well as the behavior. So just to be concrete here, what we are seeing here is one of our project of collaboration with different partners, and it aims basically at understanding the thermoregulation of the colony in the winter time. So we see that we have plenty of sensors for temperature, CO2 and sound, wave sound sensors, as well as a camera here. And it's mainly for purpose of teaching students about the honeybee behavior, but also to understand some aspect of the thermoregulation, as I said, as well as those hives. In fact, they are placed on very highly sensitive scales that will give us an idea about the weight development and progress of each of the colony throughout the seasons, nectar yield, wintering, etc. So they need to be powered eventually. So we are powering them through a solar system, a panel solar system that will come here to marine batteries, basically classic stuff with an inverter, and we have a router with a Wi-Fi enabled system. So the data acquired from those hives basically will come through a Wi-Fi system, and then they will be sent to a cloud, and then we can document and receive those data from our computer immediately without really the need to come here and take them with the old-fashioned way or whatever. So it's very practical to have this setup here. So those are the scale basically that I was talking about. What we can, for those scale, in fact, we collect the data for now. They are not Wi-Fi enabled. We collect them through any device or cell phone, where we place the cell phone here, and then it's gonna collect the data of the last 40 days, and then we can send through our cell phone the data to the cloud manually. But this would require us to come physically to the apiary and collect manually the data from those scales basically.
What type of bees do you have there?
So we are also conducting an experiment on landscape composition and the effect of nectar and landscape composition on the bee behavior. So we here basically the subspecies is mainly Ligustica, the Italian bees, Carnica, Carniolan, and we have a few queens which are Caucasian Russian bees. And it's a mix of different haplotypes, and we are also studying their local adaptation to the environment here we have around.
And you have two other locations too?
Yeah, we have two other apiaries elsewhere. We can go and visit there if we have time.
Okay, thank you very much. We are in this location where we have some hives for many kind of experience.